Hi, I'm Nora, your virtual guide here at Norce. Welcome to our video series on managing your product catalog in Norce Commerce. In this session, we'll be exploring the Parametrics tab and its features. Let's dive in. The Parametrics tab lets you add structured content to your product and its variants. This could, for example, be information on how your product looks, like color or pattern. It might be information about the quality or background, like the designer or certifications, and much more. In our case, we have different attributes about our winter jacket. A well-enriched product will make it possible to not only present good information to a customer, but also allow you to have smart filtering and search in your e-commerce system. First, we have already configured what you see here in the Parametrics tab by creating parametrics and assigning them to our primary category, garments. Read about how to do that in the documentation. The parametric group, sort and group the parametrics. You can minimize and expand the group information for an easy overview. Hover over a group or parametrics might give you more information about the attribute. This could be a pointer to you on how to work with the data structure for the best outcome. Below each parametric, you see when it was last changed and by whom. This can be a user, an integration, or a system account. First, you will see all global parametrics, which, in our case, is the country of origin. This parametric is also configured as read-only, which prevents changing the value sent from another system in an integration. Below, we see the three groups set up for our garments category: classification, characteristics, and the size guide. And under each group are the different parametrics. Most of these are list or multi-typed parametrics, and some are actual numbers. It is advisable to use these types of parametrics for your filterable information rather than untyped text parametrics. Note that the parametric garment material has an asterisk after its name, which means that it is required. Hover over a parametric name shows a cogwheel that lets you move a parametric to the variant level. And in our case, we might want to do that for our other size attributes. After we save, we can go to the variant level and see the parametrics we moved there. Notice that the choice of variant type in our earlier tutorial about the Variants tab has already moved the color and size parametrics to here. You can also set whole parametrics to be default on variant. Read more about that in the documentation. So in summary, the Parametrics tab lets you enrich the product and variants with well-structured information. Add enough information so that the product is good enough to search for and filter, as well as presenting it to a customer. Only the parametrics that matters for the category are shown and demand your attention. Some metadata is helping you, like last updated, by whom, and if the parametric is required for this category. And lastly, move parametrics to the variant level if you want to have different values for the different variants. That concludes our session on the Parametrics tab. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next video.